Okay. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Portia Mtombeni and thank you for clicking onto this video. So today I want to make this quick, right? So today I want to do I want to wash my hair, and I want to do a video showing you the hair dryer that I just bought. And I think I showed you guys, and I've been wanting to do this video. It's just that I've been very busy. So this is my hair. You can see this is the gel I had made, sterling gel, not so long ago. So I want to wash this, and then I will do the video trying out the hair dryer that I just bought, right? So yeah, thank you guys for clicking into this video. I will come back with a, after washing my hair, I'll come back with a good intro, right? So thank you. Bye. I'll be back. Hello guys, welcome back. So I just finished washing my hair, and so let's get right into this video. This is my hair. This is my hair. Yes, this is my hair. I just finished washing it. So what I'm gonna be using today, I'm gonna be using this, the short brush. This is the short brush, and I'll be using this, right? I'll be using this. This is how we do it, right? So I recently made a video, showing unboxing these things. Let me show you once more. So this is the box, right? This is the box, and this is the thing that I'll be using today, right? Yes. So yeah, let's get right into this. Struggling to plug my hair dryer, like, imagine. So but now we are going to start with our video. We're going to start with our video. Okay, I need to start by sectioning my hair. Oh gosh. I forgot to put something on my hair. Like, really? Right. guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Honestly speaking, I love this hair dryer. I love it so much. I love it. Look at this. I am here for this hair dryer. Look at this. I love it so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, share, and obviously subscribe. Let me take a picture, okay? And obviously subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, with the line, next time I will do better. Okay, honey. Okay, but I am so happy. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I am repeating the same thing, guys, but okay, I'm a little bit exhausted, right? So thank you for watching. It's been long since I uploaded this video. I'm going to edit it now and then upload it now, and I didn't want this video to be long, so I'll make sure that it stays right where it's supposed to be, like, you know, a little bit good for you guys. So thank you so much. Bye.